Myself, Sudarshan Sonpadipke. I am the research scholar of Department of Chemistry, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University. I am doing research under the guidance of Captain Dr. Suresh D. Gaikwad, sir. I am here to present my seminar topic, studies on synthesis, characterization and catalytic application of zeolites. My research plan is in organic synthesis. Reaction are carried out by using different types of catalyst for accelerate the rate of reaction and reduce the reaction time. But some catalysts offer several disadvantages like high toxicity, corrosive, harsh reaction condition, maximum reaction time, and low yield. Some nitrogen-containing organic bases like piperidine, pyridine, etc. are hazardous. Some homogeneous catalysts having difficulty in separation. Hence, in order to overcome all these limitations, it is necessary to synthesize a sustainable, efficient, and eco-friendly catalyst. Hence, we have planned to synthesize zeolite as a heterogeneous catalyst. Zeolite is a highly crystalline aluminum silicate minerals. It is solid, open, and three-dimensional networks. Zeolite are most useful and versatile heterogeneous catalyst due to its high surface area, strong acid sites, and molecular sweeping properties. Zeolite are extremely useful as a catalyst for several important reactions involving organic molecule. Most important are cracking, isomerization, and hydrocarbon synthesis. It is easily recovered and recycles. Hence, we synthesize zeolite by hydrothermal methods. In hydrothermal method, prepare the solution of tetraethyl orthosilicate in alcohol, then aluminum nitrate in deionized water. Then add tetrapropyl ammonium hydroxide drop by drop with constant stirring. Mix the solution vigorously and stirred for 1 hour. Then transfer in a Teflon line stainless steel autoclave for hydrothermal treatment at 170 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. After the completion of reaction mixture was filtered, drying and calcined at 550 degrees Celsius to give aluminum silicate catalyst. Then synthesized aluminum silicate catalyst characterized by various analysis techniques like FTIR, XRD, FSM, HRTM, BATE, TGDTA, ammonia DPD, then utilized in various organic transformation reaction. We check the activity of synthesized catalyst to synthesize 2,4,5 triaryl imidazole derivatives and 1 amido alkyl naphthol derivative. From this reaction found that catalysts show better activity with less reaction time. I am very much thankful to the departmental coordinator Dr. B.B. Singh Tesar for providing me opportunity to giving my research seminar works. Thank you.